When you're on the verge of making a significant investment in a new car, it's easy to be enticed by a low price, especially as interest rates and new car prices continue to climb. However, it's important to remember that the cheapest option doesn't necessarily translate to the best deal. In fact, opting for a cheap SUV without considering other factors could lead to higher costs in the long run. Think of steep fuel expenses, pricey repairs, or hefty insurance premiums that may outweigh the initial savings. When it comes to major purchases like a new car, you deserve more than just value. You want the ownership experience to be truly enjoyable. That means finding a car or SUV that offers the power you need for those daily highway commutes and the space to accommodate passengers and cargo. Hello car aficionados, this is Joe from Carland TV, and in this video I've listed some of the best SUVs for the money in the market this 2023. Again, I have to remind you that this isn't a complete rundown of all the top SUVs for the money out there. I just handpicked a few units that I think shine more than the rest. And if you have contentions, feel free to drop them in the comments section below. Before we start, I'd like to ask you the favor of hitting the subscribe and notification bells. They help the channel a lot. Now, let's get back to the video. Chevrolet Trax. Back in 2015, this compact crossover made its way to the US, sporting a rather peculiar blend of SUV and hatchback traits. Its proportions and styling weren't exactly crowd pleasers, but the Trax gained popularity among budget-conscious buyers due to its wallet-friendly price tag. After taking a breather in the 2023 model year, the Trax is making a comeback, and you'll be pleasantly surprised by its transformation. Set to hit the showrooms in spring 2023, the 2024 Chevrolet Trax has undergone a significant redesign that will leave you scratching your head, wondering if it's the same vehicle. With a more pronounced SUV-like appearance, it's grown in size, stretching 11 inches long from nose to tail and expanding by 2 inches in width, drawing inspiration from its larger siblings, the Chevrolet Blazer and Trailblazer. The 2024 Trax flaunts sharp creases along its sporty sheet metal. While the exterior enhancements are indeed eye-catching, my enthusiasm is somewhat tempered by the introduction of a new engine in the 2024 Trax. A petite 3-cylinder powerhouse churning out a modest 137 horsepower. Comparatively, last year's Trax, albeit smaller and lighter, exhibited sluggish acceleration with its 155 horsepower 4-cylinder. Based on specifications alone, it appears that the 2024 Trax might be even slower. However, I'll withhold my final judgment until I get my hands on one for testing. Priced below $23,000 as a starting point, the 2024 Trax holds the distinction of being one of the most affordable crossovers in the market. This attractive price point is bound to capture the attention of numerous shoppers in search of a subcompact SUV. Nissan Kicks. Looking for a great deal on a vehicle? Subcompact SUVs have got you covered. These versatile rides offer a wide range of features and excellent fuel efficiency, all at an affordable price point. It's no wonder they're popular with both first-time buyers and empty nesters looking to downsize. Introducing the 2023 Nissan Kicks, a compact crossover that perfectly fits the bill. The Nissan Kicks may be small in size, but it certainly doesn't compromise on features. While its engine may not be the most powerful, resulting in slightly slower acceleration, it more than compensates with impressive fuel economy. Additionally, safety features take center stage with comprehensive suite of advanced features. For those entering the automotive world for the first time or working within a tighter budget, the Kicks provide an excellent choice. Step inside the Nissan Kicks and you'll find a comfortable cabin that can accommodate 5 passengers. It's available in 3 trim levels. The SV trim, in particular, has gained popularity. Starting at an attractive price of $23,635, this model is equipped with a 1.6-litre i4 engine and a front-wheel drive. It boasts an estimated fuel efficiency of 31 miles per gallon in the city and an impressive 36 miles per gallon on the highway. Now, let's talk about performance. It's important to note that the subcompact vehicles are not typically known for delivering exhilarating rides, and the Kicks fall in line with this expectation. Its acceleration is on the slower side, taking around 11 seconds to reach 60 miles per hour. Additionally, taller drivers and passengers might find the interior a bit snug, and the absence of an all-wheel drive option may limit its appeal in regions with unpredictable weather conditions. Toyota Corolla Cross. The latest iteration of the Toyota Corolla Cross has become an even more appealing choice for practical and efficient compact SUV seekers. This year, Toyota introduced a new hybrid option that adds to the allure of this versatile vehicle. While it's worth noting that the rear seats might feel a bit cramped and the acceleration is not the swiftest, these characteristics are not uncommon within the segment. What sets the Toyota Corolla Cross apart is its ability to improve the finest qualities of the long-standing Corolla sedan into a stylish and compact SUV body. As a result, this affordable utility vehicle offers a blend of functionality, a smooth ride, and a comprehensive range of standard safety features. While front-wheel drive is the standard configuration, there's also an option for all-wheel drive. Under the hood, a 4-cylinder engine pairs with a continuously variable automatic transmission, ensuring commendable fuel efficiency, although acceleration may be slightly sluggish. The highlight for the 2023 model year is the introduction of an all-wheel drive hybrid version, further enhancing its fuel efficiency credentials. Regardless of the chosen variant, the Corolla Cross boasts a well-designed cabin that accommodates taller drivers comfortably. The Toyota Corolla Cross is a 5-seater vehicle available in 6 distinct trim levels. Among them, the LE AWD stands out as the most popular choice, starting at $28,575. It's equipped with a 2-litre i4 engine and comes with all-wheel drive as standard. This particular configuration is estimated to achieve 29 miles per gallon in city driving and 32 miles per gallon on the highway, making it an efficient companion for urban adventures and longer journeys alike. Hyundai Venue. Now, let's examine the Hyundai Venue. Positioned at the entryway of Hyundai's SUV lineup, it holds the distinction of being the most affordable Hyundai model available. Although slightly smaller than its counterpart, the Kona, the Venue presents a conventional SUV appearance that complements the flagship Palisade. Debuting in 2020, the Venue has undergone minimal changes since its introduction. Unlike many crossovers that offer all-wheel drive, the Venue exclusively features front-wheel drive, a common trait among budget-friendly entry-level crossovers such as the Nissan Kicks and the Toyota CHR. Its 1.6-litre engine delivers respectable performance in urban driving scenarios, but tends to lose power quickly, albeit compensating with above-average fuel efficiency. The Venue epitomizes the concept of compact exterior dimensions coupled with generous interior space. Upon entering, you'll be greeted by a spacious cabin that comfortably accommodates 2 adults, though a third passenger may find it a bit snug. The seats are cloth-trimmed, leather upholstery is not available. However, their stylish pattern adds a premium touch to this economical crossover. Despite a relatively modest cargo area, the 60-40 split folding rear seats enhance versatility. Honda HR-V. When it comes to small SUVs, the Honda HR-V confidently stands out from the crowd with its European-inspired aesthetics, a roomy and well-equipped interior, and a delightfully playful demeanor. As Honda's smallest and most affordable SUV, it's managed to establish itself as one of the top-selling compact crossovers in the United States. Its response to an influx of formidable new rivals, Honda gave the HR-V a complete redesign last year, enhancing its design, interior space, safety features, and overall driving experience. The result is a visually appealing and upscale exterior with a distinct European flair. One can't help but appreciate the HR-V's impressive build quality and clean, sporty design of its spacious interior. The cabin exudes simplicity and warmth while incorporating modern and high-tech elements, such as a digital instrument display and a generous touchscreen. The curvaceous double-decker center console not only adds to the overall aesthetic appeal, but also provides ample storage space for your belongings. Don't let its small size fool you. The HR-V packs more standard horsepower than the Hyundai Kona or Nissan Kicks, allowing for nimble performance in urban environments. However, it's the HR-V's spirited handling and smooth ride that truly impress. Thanks to the incorporation of a sophisticated independent rear suspension borrowed from its larger sibling, the Honda CR-V, the HR-V delivers an enjoyable driving experience that's hard to beat. The Honda HR-V comfortably accommodates 5 passengers and is available in 3 distinct trim levels. Among them, the Sport FWD stands as the most popular choice, starting at an affordable $26,945. Equipped with a 2-litre i4 engine and a front-wheel drive, the HR-V variant offers a commendable estimated fuel efficiency of 26 miles per gallon in city driving and 32 miles per gallon on the highway. Chevrolet Trailblazer. The Chevrolet Trailblazer is a subcompact SUV that stands out with its rugged exterior design and generous cargo capacity. While it faces competition from models that offer smoother rides and more powerful engines, the Trailblazer possesses its own unique appeal. The Trailblazer captures attention with its bold and assertive sheet metal, making it an enticing choice for many car buyers. However, its appeal goes beyond its striking appearance. It offers superior cargo space compared to the Mazda CX-30 and provides ample legroom in the rear, surpassing the Kia Seltos. Opting for the sturdy active trim equips the Trailblazer to effortlessly handle light off-roading adventures. Step into the Chevrolet Trailblazer and you'll discover a comfortable cabin that seats 5 people. It comes in 4 trim levels, with the LT FWD trim gaining popularity. With a starting price of $25,595, this model is powered by a 1.2-litre i3 turbo engine and front-wheel drive. It achieves an estimated fuel efficiency of 29 miles per gallon in the city and 31 miles per gallon on the highway. However, it's important to note that the Trailblazer's powertrain range falls short of being exceptional. It may not deliver the same level of performance as some of its rivals. And that completes our list. Thanks for sticking until the end. If you enjoyed this video, please hit the like and share buttons. I know it's a chore, but it helps the channel a lot. Until next time, drive safely.